You use money every day. But many people don't understand how money actually works. In this video, I'll explain 10 basic finance terms in the simplest way possible. No complex language, no confusion. Just clear explanations with examples. By the end of this video, money will make more sense to you. Let's start with assets. An asset is something that brings you money. If it puts money into your pocket, it is an asset. Examples of assets include a rental house that earns rent, a business that makes profit, stocks that pay dividends, land that can be sold for more in the future. Simple rule: if it pays you, it's an asset. Next is liabilities. A liability is something that takes money from you. If you must keep paying for it, it is a liability. Examples of liabilities include car loans, credit card debt, personal loans, a house with a mortgage. Even if it looks expensive or impressive, if it costs you money every month, it is a liability. The third term is income. Income is money you receive. This can come from your salary or wages, business profit, side hustle earnings, rental income. Any money that comes to you regularly or occasionally is income. Now let's talk about expenses. Expenses are where your income goes. Examples include rent, food, transport, electricity and water bills, internet and subscriptions. Expenses are the costs of daily living. This is a very important term: net worth. Net worth is what you own minus what you owe. Assets minus liabilities. For example, if your assets are worth $50,000 and your debts are $20,000, your net worth is $30,000. Net worth shows your true financial position. Next is savings. Savings is money you set aside for future use. Savings are usually kept for emergencies, short-term goals, unexpected expenses. Savings are not meant to be spent daily. Now let's talk about investments. An investment is money put into something to grow over time. Examples include stocks, real estate, businesses, mutual funds. The goal of investing is to make more money in the future. Next is debt. Debt is money you borrow and must pay back. Examples include student loans, personal loans, credit cards, business loans. Debt usually comes with interest, meaning you pay back more than you borrowed. Now let's explain cash flow. Cash flow is the movement of money in and out. If more money comes in than goes out, cash flow is positive. If more money goes out than comes in, cash flow is negative. Positive cash flow means you are not struggling to pay your expenses. The last term is profit. Profit is what remains after all expenses are paid. For example, if a business earns $10,000 and spends $7,000, the profit is $3,000. If you understand these 10 terms, you understand the foundation of finance. Save this video, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to the Life Advantage channel.